The proverbial roof over your head is a warm, comforting concept that, to properly appreciate, necessitates one main thing: a literal roof over your literal head. But keeping a roof over your head means that you're going to need to stay on top of roof maintenance. Your roof could last 20 to 50 years depending on the material it's made from, with asphalt shingles like these being the most common type. And since a roof replacement will cost you anywhere from 5 to 12 grand on average, you'll want to do everything you can to forestall that expense as long as possible. Here are 5 ways to help you prolong the life of your roof. Keep your mind in the gutter. Be sure you're cleaning out your gutters twice a year, once in the fall and once in the spring, to prevent blockage that can result in water damage to your home. Fend off flora. When the bough breaks, that tree branch could fall and take out your home's roof, shingles and all. Keep your trees adequately trimmed to prevent this. Stay insulated. Ensure your attic is properly insulated to protect against buildup of warm air, which can result in shingle deterioration. Single out shingle damage. During your routine gutter cleaning, keep an eye out for shingles that are missing, loose, or warped, which can allow water to seep in and roof rot to occur. Replace damaged shingles as necessary. De-ice your dammed gutters. After a big snow, promptly remove accumulation from the edges of your roof with a roof rake to prevent snow melt that refreezes into a damaging ice dam.